Alright guys, I'm here with my good friends Ronald and Hip.
Hey bro, GG.
What's going on? What's going on? We're beautiful. We're trying Chef Leganda today, my first time. So I'm looking forward to it. See you guys inside. New menu or? Let me show you guys.
I was like, I set my alarm,
Yeah.
and then my alarm went off, and then I'm like, oh, just a few more minutes.
Yeah.
Gone.
All good bye. Because I told him maybe Ronald forgot the time. Give Ronald a call just in case. All good bye. But whatever, but let's go. We're stuck.
Should we share or?
Yeah, let's share, but sure.
Yeah, GG.
What do you reckon, Ronald?
Yeah, keen.
Let's order to share.
Nice. Wagyu beef. Medium rare, please. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so this is what we ordered. Got the pumpkin wagyu beef, medium rare, salt and pepper scallops, the village style pork ribs, the fried quay tao, hopefully I pronounced it right, beef as the protein, special fried rice, and the extra free range chicken. Guys, mango ice blend came. Cheers.
Cheers.
Another one's coming. Cheers to you guys. Beautiful. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful. Special fried rice cake. This is the village spare ribs. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you. Beautiful. Beautiful ones.
Thanks.
Let's go. Let's begin. Hey Jesus, hallelujah. Home. One hand bar. Wow, this one.
Get some chopsticks.
All the juice came out. You guys tried this before?
First time ever tried. First time ever. Never. First time ever. All of history of 34 years.
What's the skin?
Fried salt pepper, fried salt pepper, fried scallops. Oh, they like it.
I'm not having the juiciness chicken. The juicy chicken. Juicy chicken. So good. It's one of the best food ever. See? I was joking. That wasn't for the video. It was juicy.
No, it was packed up.
So everything the same or is it renovated?
Everything looks the same.
Same?
come back in the prices.
Juicy, yeah?
The way they used it, bro, it was delicious.
Do you want one? Let me do you one.
Oh,
Yeah, this is medium thick. Okay, half of the
the way they did it, bro, it looked like it was the most delicious thing ever. Thanks, bro.
At the lady. Well, this is how we're going so far, 15 minutes later. I'm trying to